Hi everyone, good evening. I just wanted to ask one question for everyone. So, why you people have joined in this program? So, let me answer this question. The main motto of this program is yes, we are informing everyone. We are helping you to for career transformation, and we are helping for the people who have a career gap. So, yes, those all are very true. But the thing is, how much we give you the support, your performance is more important. Whatever we'll discuss in the class, whatever we teach in the trainings, apart from that, your efforts are more important. Okay. So the main motto of this demo is like we are helping the people to transform their careers. Like we are giving a direct path. So if you are learning this program, you have a best opportunities in the market. You are going to transfer your career in a very booming tool and very booming market. So this kind of a suggestions we are giving, and we are helping the people to crack the interviews, to prepare for the interviews, and the people who have a basic knowledge on this tool. And we are also making them very stronger to crack all kind of interviews for UiPath. Okay, so on the screen, you people are seeing like RPA developer in 30 days. So yes, this is true. You can become an RPA developer in 30 days. So before this, what is an RPA? What exactly it means? So RPA is nothing but yes, it is an automation tool which helps you to automate the process. This is very clear definition to everyone. Okay.
Repetitive
So
process.
yes, to automate the repetitive process, we use this RPA. Okay. So how exactly we can learn this and what are the chances we are giving in this program is all about this demo. So if you see on the screen, there are two success stories from the two people, and they have joined at the program. After the program, they cracked the interview and they have given their feedback, genuine feedbacks. Okay. So coming to the presentation, in this presentation, we'll help you to for your UiPath career transformation within a 30 days. If I say within a 30 days, it's in a month. Okay. And which helps people who are from very beginner level to the advanced level. So what are the programs we will cover? What are the concepts we will cover in this sessions? We will discuss in coming slides. Okay. So coming to the next one. So here are the very important links before you start your career with the UiPath. So we are connecting with the YouTube. So in the YouTube channel, we are providing a lot of content related to UiPath. So what is UiPath? How to start with the UiPath? How to install the tools? So most of the content will be shared in the YouTube. That is Vajrang.org YouTube. You can go and watch. You can search for Vajrang.org. You can clearly see that YouTube channel on the Google page. And you can refer all the concept before you wanted to join in the program. You can refer that. And coming to the another social platform, that is the Instagram. So in the Instagram, we have it so many successful stories. The people who genuinely work with us, who trained with us, the people who don't have any knowledge even in the technical, and also they have a lot of career gaps. That people have joined in the program and they cracked the interviews and they posted their stories. So we have so many successful stories in the Instagram. You can watch them and you can see them. And also we have same thing in a Vajrang organization website. So we have one website. So inside the website, you will find all the content like what training program you have to take, what are the training programs are available in these organizations, what are the successful stories. So all the things are maintained in the organization website. The website name is vajrang.org. You can refer that website, you will get a clear idea about that. And coming to the GitHub, so this is a code collaboration GitHub link. So actually, when we are training the people, we also train them along with the GitHub sessions. So what is GitHub sessions is like it's a different concept. The people who know about this, who have experience in a normal technical way, they know about this platform. If you don't know, also no need to worry about this. We'll explain in our training programs. Okay, these are the very important links. So you can refer this. And next, coming to the next slide. So here is our leader. He's the CEO of our company. So his name is Vajrang, and he's an architect, UiPath architect, and he's a two-time community MVP in 2023 as well as in 2024 also. So about our leader is like he completed more like 100 plus projects. He has very hands-on experience on a live project. So 100 plus projects are completed by him. He trained many people, like 600 plus people he trained till now. It's all about our leader. And how can you connect with the Vajrang? So you can connect with the LinkedIn. We have a LinkedIn link here. So if you want, you can search Vajrang B in the LinkedIn. You will get the profile, so you can follow him. And also, we discussed about the YouTube channel and YouTube membership. Also, you can have the membership in the YouTube also. And there is a WhatsApp link. We will maintain a one group which is belongs to the organization. So you can join in that group to get the latest updates about the trainings and about the offers which we are going on in the organization. You will get to know all the details when you join in the WhatsApp group. And this is GitHub link. So on each and every slide, we are giving a success stories like people, what exactly they mean for after joining this course. Okay. So we are giving each and every details on some of the slides, not in each and every, but this is a very genuine one. And coming to the organization. So what kind of offers we are providing? The first offer was masterclass. Okay, so what is this masterclass? So it's a kind of a knowledge. The people who don't even know anything about this UiPath, they can join in the masterclass program at rupees 99. And this is a complete 1 week program. In this 1 week program, we are going to teach them how to install the tool and how to work with the local files. And there are some contents and syllabus which we have shared in the organization or in the website. So you can go to the website and you can watch the courses content. Okay, so this is only 1 week program. We are going to cover like even in the GitHub session also in this 1 week program. So before you take a next step, you can go with the master class and you can join in the master class and you can have some knowledge on this on some background. Then you can go with the further classes. And one more opportunity, the people who join with the masterclass, we will conduct exam. So based on their scores, they will get some scholarships as well. Please utilize it. If you are interested, please join in the masterclass and you can work on that. Okay. The next one is UiPath Basics. So UiPath Basics is a complete basic level. Like we will provide some tasks, like mostly 30 plus tasks, like content we are going to share. And along with that content, we also give you some details like what topics we are going to cover in that content and in that task. So each and every details we will provide you. And so each and every task will guide you. You need to work on the screen. So this is how it will go, UiPath Basics. So it's a foundation for your learning, basically. So after this, let's say if you don't have any technical knowledge and you don't know how to do what to do, then you can go with the masterclass, then you can go with the basics. And the people who have the knowledge about UiPath, so what is UiPath and what kind of automations we are going to do in UiPath and what is the tool navigation. If you know all these details, you can directly join in the project. So in the projects, we are going to we will train you for in interviews and also will help you with the resume preparations, and also we'll conduct one or two mock interviews based on your performance. So along with this, we also cover some advanced topics which help you to crack the interviews. So basically these projects will help you to further steps for your career growth. Okay. And next, coming to the mock interviews, yes, the people who have knowledge basics and the projects, even if they are having knowledge about this and again they are failing in the interviews, then we also provide the mock interview trainings. Okay. So these mock interviews will help you to how to resolve the real-time scenarios and everything. And apart from this, we also have a project consultation. So if you need any solution for your projects, then we definitely will help you and will give the solution to your projects. So these are the offerings which is currently going in our organization. Apart from this, if we have any offers and all, we'll update you in the groups, and you can connect over there and stay updated. Okay, so this is all about the offerings from the organization. Yes. So these all are our new interns like Narinda, Parvati, and Krishna. So these are the current members who are working with us and they're part of a development team and they'll help you to resolve all your queries and also giving the solution to your questions and all. From these slides, we are also proved that we are giving a job references, the people who trained with us, and by the job references, they got the jobs in a MNC company. So Vijay, Kavya, Karthik, Vamsi are from our training batch. So we provided a references. They got that. They cracked the interviews. So it's all about me. My name is Surabhi Uma Devi, and so I was a part of this organization since 2.5 years. So I was working with the basics and as well as the projects team also. And apart from this, I'm also part of the development team who will be working with the project level. So this is all about me. Till now, we discussed, okay, we are offering masterclass program, we are offering basics program, we are offering that, this, and everything we explain. So these slides will give you a clear picture what exactly we are working on the training part. So you people don't have any knowledge on this, no need to worry. So we will train you like you have to how to navigate the tool, how to install the tool, and how to create something in the tool inside the tool, how to automate the process. Each and every step will be explained in the basics program. So with very high patience. We also have that I think successful stories video I will share with you in the coming slides. So you can also listen with their words like how we are giving the training and how we are asking people to share the screen to work on the task. So it's not like we are going to train you and if you people are listening and you're going back to your homes and again you are again joining in the next morning. So it's not going to work like that. If you are joining the basics program or any projects program, any advanced program within our organization, we are make sure that you have to complete all the tasks which was given by me or Vajrang or any other trainers. So after that, we'll help you to motivate yourself to work on each and every task. So maybe these are the concepts you have to work on, and after doing the task we are going to leave. It's not like that. Once you're done with the task and once you're done we complete the concept, we have a separate team to review each and every task from our side. Okay, when you are working on development, when you're working completing on one task, so there is a separate team who are available to review each and every task of you, and we are going to provide you the feedback like what went wrong and what went right, so in which criteria you people need improvement. So all these things we will give the comments and you have to improve by yourself. Okay, so that is a basic thing we will generally follow for each and every batch. And coming to the syllabus, this is the program plan. So in week one we'll give the introduction and also we'll help you to navigate and we'll also help you to create something inside the tool. So all this thing week one, week two, week three wise, week four. So this is the syllabus completely for basic people who will join with us in the basics program. If you have any question, you can park it and you can ask this question at the end of the sessions. Okay. So right now, just understand the skeleton of the program. Next. So yes, so most of the people have one doubt: who can attend this project training? Who will attend this project training? And what is the purpose of joining this training? So these are the answers. Members who are failing in coding interviews. Okay. People who have a basic knowledge, but they are still failing in the coding interviews, they can enter in the project training program. And people who are not able to clear even the first round of technical interviews. So these people also can join in this program. Members who what get trained for certification. So most of the people wants the certification. So I'll give you one example. The people who trained with us in the basics and the project, they trained with us and they went to the organization and joined. And see, each and every organization nowadays, if they want to give you some license of your UiPath, they are asking the certifications. So certifications is very, very important. Even though you are tracked the interviews, even though you joined in the organization, even though you assigned to some project, certifications are very important. With the certification only, your client is going to provide you the license of your UiPath tool. So the people who are failing to crack the certification also, they can also join in this program. The people who wants to fetch a job in UiPath RP as a developer, so the people who wants to switch from non-technical to technical, they can also join in this project training program. And if they want to start a career as a RPA developer, they have to go first basics, then they can join in the projects training program. UiPath components during training. So if I say UiPath components, like what are the advantages you are going to have in the training is like you can connect with you have a studio community version, okay, and also you have a orchestrator community version, and we'll help you to how to install this community version with studio and the orchestrator. Don't get confused what is studio, what is orchestrator, and all this all are the part of your automation of part of your UiPath RPA. Okay, so these tools, how to use that UiPath Studio community and UiPath Orchestrator community will help you with this, and also UiPath Task Capture. So don't worry about this task capture. It is also one of the tool which is a added advantage in your UiPath. Okay, and will help you with this tool as well. Next is UiPath PDD template. So what is a PDD template? Is a documentation which is available, which is required for your development in your organization level. Okay, so if some of the people wants to transform their career as a business analyst, if, as a developer, they want to switch their career as a business analyst, they should go with the documentation part. So only the BA people will prepare this PDDs, SDDs, so some kind of a documentation related to projects. Okay, and next is UiPath integration. Sorry, GitHub integration. So GitHub integration, like, yes, I think in previous slides I've explained you about this GitHub. So GitHub is one of the platform where you can merge your codes and where you can maintain your all your codes at one place. So in our organization, we are going to provide you a repository to maintain all your codes. So this is also one of the advantage for your career, because most of the companies are looking the people who have a knowledge with the GitHub. So even if you're going for interview, there are some questions related to GitHub are going to be asked in the interview. So here in this training program, we'll help you with the GitHub integrations as well. Okay. Next, creating issues with project tracker. So how can you create the issues? How can you solve the issues? All these things will be explained by using the project trackers. And special sessions by industry experts. So there will be some special sessions which will be conducted by Vajrang organization. So you can attend those and you can have a one-on-one meeting with the experts. So there will be a lot most like MVPs. So MVPs, like most valuable person, like Vajrang has become an MVP for past 2 years, right? So those kind of people will be available in that session. So you can connect with them and you can ask all your questions. So we are giving a chance to connect with them as well. Okay, so this is all about this slide. Yes. So till now we understood like what is the UiPath basics program and how to work on that and who can attend the project training and everything, right? So what topics are going to cover in the project? In the week one, we are going to cover project basics. Like project basics means like what kind of a concept you required when you are starting with the project level. Okay, so those things will be explained in the week one. And most important thing is RE framework explanation. So the people who have some knowledge on UiPath, they will know, they will understand this. So RE framework is one of the template which helps you to maintain the code. So most of the organizations are maintaining their codes in the RE framework template. It's a template. Okay, to understand that template, you need a project basic concepts. So that can be explained in the week one, and how to handle the exceptions and how to create the reports and how to send that reports to the email from the email over the emails. So these basic concepts will be explained in the week one. And coming to week two, how to automate the multiple applications. So for example, if you want to extract some information from the Amazon account or any other sources, so how to navigate, how to automate that process. So those kind of explanation will be explained in a week two project. So coming to week three, there will be again one advanced concept, that is APIs. So you'll get hands-on experience working with APIs in week three project, and how to resolve the exceptions, how to handle the exception, creating the reports, how to work with the RE framework. All these things will be explained in a week three project. So handling exception, creating reports, sending reports over the email is common for each and every project, because each and every client will ask you the consolidated report at the end of the day, right? So those things are common in each and every project. The only thing is scenario and logics will be changed. Okay. So here in RE framework, this is an end-to-end project. We'll give you one project to work on that. So you're going to work from beginning to end. If I say beginning to end, you have to work on the documentation as well. So by this, you people have an experience how to work on the documentation part, how to work on the development part, how to do a testing, and how to. So if I say testing, yes, it's a testing in the prod level, production level, and in the test environment level. So this kind of a testing will be explained in a week four project. Okay, so these are the common activities in all the projects. PDD creation, it's a documentation, solution creation, solution unit testing. So the people who are from testing background, they know about the solution unit testing and integration testing. So this different kind of testings will be done in all the projects. It's a very common in every project, in every week projects. And solution deployment in different mission. This is very important thing you need to understand, because development can be done by everyone. Every developer will do the development, but integrating into a sorry deployment is very important in a different mission. So when you're working with your machine, you can do development and you can do testing, everything will go smoothly. But when you are deploying your current code to another mission, so it is hard for you to understand the errors and everything. So that can be explained in each and every project training. Okay, solution design document creation. So this is also one of the very important thing. The people who are switching their careers in a different roles, like in UiPath, normally the people who are switching into UiPath, they have a different roles like BA, solution architect, developer. So they can choose their careers in different roles. Not only as a developer, they can go as a business analyst and also solution architect, like that. So there will be some added advantage when you are learning with this all these concepts. Okay. So now most of the questions I'll get is like, do we have any jobs in the market? Is UiPath is going to be a booming tool in the coming days? Yes, of course, it's a booming tool, because inside the UiPath there are a lot of integrations are happening. Like you can work with the SAP automations, you can work with the Salesforce, you can work with the, so nowadays there is a new added advantage in UiPath, like you can work with the artificial intelligence. So previously we understood like, okay, it is a low code platform to understand and to work on the development. Nowadays it became a very easy for a developer to write the code, because there is a additional feature which is added in the inside the activities, each and every activities. So if you prompt something, it will give you the syntax. So it's an added advantage to the developers basically. They are to build a logics or conditions. Okay, so this all the integrations are happening in UiPath, so that's why it's become a booming tool in the market. So and these are the facts which we extracted from the websites. So in last 30 days we have a 2054 jobs, and on your like experience and salary comparison, you can see here. And why only UiPath you need to choose? So because first very important thing is it is easy to learn. So most of the people will understand for day one class only, it is easy to learn. Mostly drag and drop activities are there. If I say drag and drop activities, what is drag and drop activities means? Like if you want to write some if condition, no need to write if condition and logics and everything. There is a pre-built activity which is available inside the UiPath. You can just drag and drop that if activity and you can build the logics. So most of the things are drag and drop activities only. And continuous career development, yes, you can switch, as I mentioned, you can switch your career from developer, from BA to developer to some a solution architect, like this. So there will be always a chance to develop your career. And so if I'm talking about the developer business analyst, so here are the list we have. The first is developer, business analyst, lead, architect, program manager, COE lead. So these are the different roles are available in UiPath when you choose this platform. Based on your experience, you can choose these careers. Okay. So one more important and interesting update from our organization is, yes, we conducted one studio web series which is completely on UiPath. So what is studio web series means? Like we have a tool. You people know already about this. We have a desktop application. So apart from this, we also there is a latest update from the studio from UiPath is we are going to upgrade by Studio Web. So it's a web-based application. So here inside this studio web, you have all the activities and everything, but you have to understand how to use these web applications. So we are the only team who worked on the studio web series, and it went successfully completed. And here are the links day wise. So we conducted 8 days session on studio web. So it went super duper success. So these are what we actually observed from everyone is 61 plus members who completed project training will be able to successfully complete that certification, one important certification, that is UIRPA, for the first attempt. Okay. And we delivered 50% vouchers as a giveaway. So you can see that success stories also in our website. And we also delivered free UIRD and UIRPA 50% vouchers. And project training helped, like till third point, we have given a vouchers, and also we help the people to complete their certification. And also this project training helped a lot of people to gain confidence and to attend the interviews, to crack their jobs. So the project trainings are helped a lot of them. Yes, and one more thing, one general question for each and everyone. We receive these calls each and every day. So do we have recordings for the sessions? Yes, of course, we have a recordings for each and every session, basics, projects, even for the masterclass, the people who attended. So we have a recordings for each and every training batch. So we'll be giving we'll give their recordings by creating the credentials, by giving the access to our SharePoints. Okay, so if you're registered with your email ID, so you can be able to access with all the recordings. So if you miss the session in the morning, so no need to worry. You can join in. You can check with the recordings, and there will be a separate team who can resolve all your queries. So you can connect with them and you can solve your issues. And also, anyways, as a trainers, we will be always there behind you. But you need to work with the live sessions. If you're missing, then you can check with the recordings. Yes, so these are the certifications links. So the people who are planning to complete their certification, then they can go with these links. So if you want, we can ping these links in the groups as well. You can check this. Okay, and this is a paid certification from UiPath. So one is associate certification. It costs around 12,500, and another one is advanced certification. It costs around 16,500. So certificate for the course. The certificate of at the course is once you're done with the training, once you complete all the tasks with us and everything, we are going to provide the course completion certification with after successfully completing all the trainings and all the tasks, most importantly, all the tasks. So it's not like, okay, you attended 30 days program or 20 days program or 1 month program and you need the certification at the end of the month. Like, we will validate your performance, we'll validate your score, and then based on that, we are going to provide you the completion certification. So these are the free add-ons for the people who are working with the projects training program or who are taking the projects training program. So we'll help them to prepare the resume. So if you have some career gap and if you want to switch your technical to non-technical to technical, then we'll help you how to build your resume with the correct format. So resume preparations will be done and one mock interview will be conducted and job reference support will be available with us. So this is the GitHub scorecard. So you can see there are 138 pull requests and for open pull requests. So like if you observe the score and if you observe the graph, so we rapidly increasing our technical concept to understand each and every person. So to maintain each and every code, we are increasing rapidly. So one thing must and should is the people who are working with us, they definitely work with they must and should work with a GitHub only. So there is no other option to skip this concept. Okay. So these are the achievements of from the last stream. So with 900 plus issues, commits, and we worked each and every commit and we help the people to work on each and every task and we help them to resolve all their issues. Yes. So timings and project details and basic details are all about in this slide. So coming to UiPath basics, the prices will be 12,999. And see, 12,999 again, it's not a fixed amount. It's the people who are working with the masterclass program, the people who are attending the masterclass, and if they are able to crack the exam, they will get the gift voucher around, I think it's a 2,000 rupees gift voucher they will get. And the price after getting the voucher, the price will be 12,999. The actual price of the basics will be 14,999. Okay. And timings are from, there are two batches for the basics, morning and the evening. Morning, there will be a one batch, 6 to 7 a.m. And evening, there is another batch for the basics, that is 4 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. IST. So completely it's Monday to Friday only, Saturday, Sunday, we don't have any classes. So it's a week-wise sessions. Okay, and these are the topics which we complete in the basics program. And coming to the projects, there will be a 19,999 is the actual price. And for the projects also, there is offer going on. So Vajrang will explain on this. Vajrang?
Yes, Ruby. So if people are completing basics properly with highest score,
Um,
then they can get it for 917.
Okay. So it's all about the project's detail. And the timings are in the evening, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST, and it's from Monday to Friday. Yes, the topics which is going to cover that we covered in the previous slides, so you can refer that. So we'll also give you some brochures to understand what concepts we are covering exactly in the training programs.
Okay, I'm seeing 5 members. So I'm closing the poll. Thank you so much. Okay, done. I have closed the poll. Thank you so much, everyone. Now, how many of you, guys, can you please unmute and talk? If you have any questions about the program, please go ahead and ask. I'm here to explain or I'm here to answer. And if you can see, let me also show you the projects that we are currently working. So this is our April projects team, and this is our dashboard where people are working according to the dashboard. Like once someone completes the code, we'll go ahead and review. And if you can see Shankar's information, we'll check on PDDs, SDDs, coding, testing, and deployment. Everything will be available and we will test it before we go to the next step. So we are following complete organization while working on the training program. So if you're joining here, think that you're working in an organization and you need to give out some code to your team member, not your lead. That's how
Okay.
we'll work. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone.